earth shakes or the fire's near, we act with courage, not with fear. Clamp the small clamps on the needle or cath, then clamp the big ones on the bloodlines path. Twist and disconnect the lines with care. Place the cap, be prepared. Safety first, no time to wait. Preparedness now, can't hesitate. Clamp and cap, don't wait up. Unhook yourself, stand and step up. Prepared we are, with steps so clear. Leave now, no need to fear. Clamp the small clamps, secure them tight. Clamp the big ones, do it right. Twist the lines, disconnect with speed. Cap them tight, it's what you need. 2 small clamps for the needle or cath, 2 big clamps for the bloodlines path. Twist and disconnect, stay in control. Preparedness saves our lives as a whole. Clamp and cap, don't wait up. Unhook yourself, stand and step up. Prepared we are, with steps so clear. Leave now, no need to fear. Know the plan, rehearse it well. Practice now and all is well. In disaster, don't look back. Clamp, cap, and stay on track. Clamp and cap, don't wait up. Unhook yourself, stand and step up. Prepared we are, with steps so clear. Leave now, no need to fear. Clamp the small clamps, clamp the big. Safety's key, be sharp, be quick. Twist the lines, cap them tight. Stay prepared, we'll be alright.